Welcome. If you want to use features like sharing files or connecting to devices nearby through Google Chrome on your Android phone, you'll need to allow the nearby device's permission. This quick guide will show you how to enable it step by step, so you can make the most of Chrome's capabilities while keeping your device secure. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. You can usually find the Settings app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Just tap the gear icon to begin. Next, scroll down and look for the section labeled Apps, or it might be called App Management on some devices. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, scroll through the list or use the search function to find Google Chrome. Once you see it, tap on the Chrome app to open its settings. Inside the Chrome app settings, look for the Permissions option. This is where you control what Chrome can access on your device, such as your camera, microphone, and of course, nearby devices. Tap on Permissions, and you'll see a list of different permission types. Find the one labeled Nearby Devices. Tap on it, and you'll see the option to allow nearby devices access. Select Allow to enable this feature for Chrome. That's it. You've now given Google Chrome permission to access nearby devices on your Android phone. This means Chrome can discover and connect with other devices around you, making it easier to share files, connect to smart devices, or use features like Nearby Share All while respecting your privacy, since this permission doesn't give Chrome access to your precise location. Remember, you're always in control. If you ever want to change this permission, just follow these steps again and adjust the setting as needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on getting the most from your apps and devices.